What's up, guys? I keep getting calls about this. Everybody wants to invent a new product or build something that's new. And there's really four businesses that are types of business that you can get into depending on the barrier of entries. A barrier of entry is what it takes to actually get into that business. So it could be money, it could be time, it could be resources, it could be anything in those. So we'll draw a little, it's really a pyramid. So right here is the bottom of the pyramid, right? So this is the easiest way to get in. It takes very little amount of money, if no money. It just takes some time, right? These things could be affiliate marketing, stuff like that you sell products or a service, an easy service to do, like cleaning houses and stuff like that. Something very, very simple and easy that takes really no money and only a little bit of time to do. Thus, there's good cash potential, but there's not great cash potential. And there's really no way of selling it unless you build a brand off it or you get really good income that comes in. So there's really no massive money growth that you'll get on this, but it's great to get a way to get started. Next is the second tier, Amazon, eBay, stuff that takes a lot of money and time to do. So it's the second tier. This is better growth potential. There's more money and you can grow in different things and start using like eBay and Amazon as a platform, more or less your business growth, right? So that's what we're doing right now. eBay is a part of our business. It's not the main focus of our business, right? So we use eBay and Amazon to subsidize some of the growth and the marketplaces that we have, right? And you can also build products off of that. Next is building a product or a service that you can sell in the future, right? Something that takes more money, more capital. Building a product, depending on the product, if it's easy to do, it could cost $5 to 10 grand. If it's hard to do, I'm looking at $50,000 to $100,000. So it takes a lot more cash to get started and a lot more time and knowledge, right? The top is a platform. This is like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, the whole platform, right? This is where you make tons and tons of cash. This is where you see the software tech companies in Silicon Valley exit for hundreds of millions of dollars. It's mostly always platforms. Sure, you can build a product in software and then grow that into a platform. That's what we're starting to do right now. But it just takes less money. But a platform is what your end goal is to. That's the top of the tier, and that's where you can make huge dollars selling it, right? Bottom one, there's so many people doing it. Sure, if you really need some cash, or that's what you're looking for, is just easy cash, no money up front. Maybe you have a family that you're just looking for a side job. We recommend the bottom tier, affiliate marketing and easy stuff like that. But really, I think people should get started at the middle two tiers. First off, this middle tier, the one that you use platforms to subsidize and use those to grow your business. It's probably the best way. It takes a little bit of cash flow and a little bit of cash and time and a little knowledge, but there's good money potential there. You can make $100,000 to $1 million relatively easy. In terms of the second tier, the third tier is what most people want to jump to, right? So everybody calls me about, I have this great idea, I have this software business, I have all this stuff. It's a good stepping stone if you want to learn, right? The majority of these will fail. That's just a simple fact, right? Building your own product, that's something that's out of there, is gonna fail majority of the time. Sure, you might hit a home run, you never know, right? But these can sell for high dollar as well. Platform is what a lot of people go to as well for their first time, which we kind of say don't do that. Try to build the core business first and then grow off that. But yeah, 4 tiers. Let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Follow, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Catch you guys later.